I'm Alastair Humphreys and I've never been to Nova Scotia. And boom, Nova Scotia! And this is Halifax, the start of my journey. Keys please. I'm headed for Cape Breton Island to experience from some of the people there what makes this part of the world so unique.
Salmon fishing has been part of the fabric of the Margrees going right back to 1865. What I enjoy most about it is the people that I meet and the ability to introduce them to the river.
The views throughout Cape Breton are just majestic. It's very, very rugged, but at the same time it has an incredible inner peace to it. That's probably my main source of inspiration, is just sitting on my front step and watching the sunset.
Whiskey tour, anyone?
This is the home of North America's first single malt whiskey. The environment here is clean, pristine, natural, real. The people here are beautiful, kind people.
You come out here and people always make you feel like you're at home, and I haven't found anything quite as feeling like home as Nova Scotia.
I rate my chances very highly. Just watched this gentleman catch 2 big fish in about 3 minutes. So I reckon it's pretty easy. Ah! That was massive!
It's a slower pace, and there's a lot to be said for living somewhere where the pace is slow.
Cheers.
It's always such a comfortable feel here. No matter where you go, you still sort of feel like you're in your own hometown. I get to live and do what I love in a place that's so beautiful and just so great.
Nova Scotia, thanks very much.